Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are doing maths of class 7. That is our unit number 12, circumference, area and volume. We are on exercise 12.2, which is on page number 161 and 162. This is my 5th lecture. Okay, I am doing for your convenience example number 2, which is on page number 161. That the area of a circle is given to you, that is 172.1 centimeters square. Remember, always the unit of area is in square. Okay, find the circumference of the circle. Here given is area of a circle and we have to find out the circumference. Okay, I am using the formula C is equals to 2 pi r. Okay, what is given to us? Area of a circle. So I have to start from the formula in which this value is present. So area of a circle, I have to use this formula. Area is equals to pi r square. I have to put this value of pi. Pi is 22 by 7 here. The value of area 172.1 and r square. I am removing this decimal by putting 10 in the denominator and 22 by 7 r square. I need the value of r, so I have to isolate r square here. So I am going to multiply 7 by 22 on both the sides to isolate this. Okay, so here I got r square, and here by multiplying these two quantities and these two numbers, I got this 12047 over 220 centimeter square. And by dividing it, I got 54.759. And I will put here the approximate value 54.759. You people know the rules of approximation, that whenever on the third number, if it is more than 5 or more than 5, then we increase the previous number. So there is a 9 on this side. So on this place, I increase one number. So this becomes 54.76. Okay, on the left hand side, we have r square. But I need the value of r. So I have to find, by taking square root on both sides, I have to get this r is equals to 7.4 centimeter. You can find out the square root of this. So now for C, circumference. The formula of circumference is 2 pi r. So I am putting the value of 2 is here, pi 22 by 7, r 7.4 from here, which we have find out for this question. Now multiply these two, become 44 over 7. Multiplying these two and cancelling, we got this. And after dividing it, I got 46.51. Okay students, now we are going to do question number 5 of exercise 12.2. That is, find the circumference of a circle whose area is 38.5 centimeters square. Here we have given the area and we have to find out the circumference. Okay, I am using the formula which is given to us, the quantity which is given to us. So area of a circle is pi r square. The value of area is this, pi r square. I have to isolate r square. So by multiplying 7 over 22 on both the sides, I got, by cancelling out this and this, we get 7 multiplied by 7 over 2 multiplied by 2 by cancelling out, and you can do it on your rough work, is equals to r square. Okay, I am not multiplying it, that is 7 multiplied by 7 is 49 and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. But I am not doing it here. Why? Because here on the right hand side, I have seen that we have square here. So 7, 7, 2 and 2. So it's a clue for me that I can write it in the form of 7 by 2 centimeter whole square is equals to r square. Or by taking square root on both sides, or you can say that whenever the exponents are same, you can compare the bases, and whenever the bases are same, you can compare the exponents also. Or you can say that by taking square root on both sides, we have r is equals to 7 by 2 centimeter. So our R is equals to 7 by 2 centimeters. Now I am putting the value of R is equals to 7 by 2 centimeter in circumference is equals to 2 pi R, because we have to find out the value of circumference. So 2 pi R means 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 7 by 2 is equals to, this 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are, this 11, 7 will cancel out each other. So 2 multiplied by 11 become 22. So this is our required value, that is circumference of a given circle is 22 centimeter. So the students, I have done this question number 5 for you, question number 2 and this question number 6 and example also. I hope you can do this exercise by yourself. Thank you so much.